Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by preparing the hardware and removing existing connections. First, make sure both earbuds and the case have at least 50% charge so resets don't fail. Once done, go into your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings and forget or remove the earbuds to clear the pairing profile. Then power the earbuds off fully. Hold the main button or follow manufacturer LED cues, because a clean-off state is required to trigger the internal reset sequence reliably. Now you'll execute the actual reset sequence step by step. You typically press and hold the touch surface or physical button on each bud for 10 to 15 seconds until an LED pattern, often alternating red and white, appears. That indicates internal memory cleared. If your model requires the case, insert both earbuds, close the lid for 10 seconds, then reopen to complete the cycle. Make sure to watch for the final pairing LED blink or an audible voice prompt that confirms the factory finish by re-establishing a fresh connection and handling common failures. First, reboot your phone or computer, enable Bluetooth, and pair the earbuds as a new device from the list. You should see a fresh pairing prompt. If pairing fails, charge everything to full, repeat the reset steps, and try pairing with another device to isolate the problem. If it still won't connect, make sure firmware is current or contact the manufacturer for support. Those two actions solve most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.